तो हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है स्नेहाशीष पहाड़ी। आपको इस वीडियो लेक्चर में स्वागत करता हूं मिशन आई स्टैंड विद इंटीग्रिटी की तरफ से। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम खास करके गेटिंग न्यूट्रिशन बैक ऑन द स्कूल हाई टेबल एक पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर देखेंगे तो इट बिकम्स अ मैटर ऑफ डिस्कशन। क्यों ये मैटर ऑफ डिस्कशन है वो सभी आपको इस वीडियो लेक्चर में दर्शाऊंगा कि कौन कौन सा यूजुअल इंपॉर्टेंस हम मान के चलेंगे। कैसे यूजुअली अन्नदाता जो हम बोलते हैं, अन्नदाता को कभी हम भूल नहीं पाएंगे। अन्नदाता तो हमको सब कुछ है यार, सब कुछ है। तो इस पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर देखेंगे, इस उद्देश्य से, किस उद्देश्य हम यूजुअली देखेंगे कि हमारा जो गेटिंग न्यूट्रिशन to the children who are under poverty, getting nutrition to those children who do not even have a day meal to fulfill their stomach, getting nutrition to those children who even have a work pressure rather than study pressure. So उन सभी के बारे में हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है। तो उससे पहले मैं आपको ये भी बता देना चाहता हूँ कि इस वीडियो लेक्चर जो भी मैं आपके सामने लाया था वो बहुत ही पर्सपेक्टिव से या फिर इन डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ लाया हूँ कि व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गिविंग न्यूट्रिशन टू अंडर पॉवर्टी चिल्ड्रंस। ठीक है। दूसरा क्या है, यूजुअली व्हाट इज द सेंसस मींस व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस हु यूजुअली स्टे इन बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन, और यू कैन से दैट हु आर माल नरिश्ड। उसके बाद डिफरेंट perspective से अगर यूजुअली देखेंगे तो व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ गिविंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स फूड, न्यूट्रियस फूड with this effect of pandemic. Okay, so even though there is no special vaccination which is been done by the children or for the children, but we should have to keep them nourished. Okay, so what is the main motto of saying me? What is the main motto of giving the advice of reopening of school may impact in a very good nutrition? So one thing is Poshan Yojana, or you can say that. So one thing usually it matters is Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirmala Yojana, which is all about midday meal scheme, which has its own advantage, which has its own which has its own motto of giving a well nourished food, which has its own intention of giving how the governments are been acting to those children or those underlined privileged student who do not even fulfill their stomach by a food which they usually have in the whole life period or in the whole lifetime. Coming from a very specified background, coming from a very poor background, coming from an underprivileged background, it is prior important to keep a note that where we are, how we are, and where and what we are. These things matters a lot whenever we are going to discuss about social factors. How much kg has been diverted, how much kgs has been reforested, we can say that. Okay, so these things usually matters. How much weight we have gained, how much weight we have lost in the seamless world, and for the age of it is specified age. So even if I discuss about how we are acting with the social factors, how we are acting with the schemes which has been governed by government. So these things matters a lot when we discuss about balanced diet. So if coming from a very special background, okay, so coming from a very special background which I have belonging to, ठीक है, उस एरिया से बिलोंग करता हूँ जहाँ पे यूजुअली जो लोग होते हैं ना यार, वो अंडर पॉवर्टी में रहते हैं, जिनका झोपड़ा अभी तक स्लैब्स या फिर रूफ टॉप उनका नहीं है, अभी तक सिर्फ हट्स में रहते हैं। उन एरिया से मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ जिन एरियाज में उन सभी क्षेत्रों का एक दर्शन मीन्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट एरिया। Even they do not have a pen to study, even they do not have a pencil or a notebook to write or a book to read, but still the government should have to provide a specified number of amount, or you can say that money, such that their needs should be fulfilled. That's the reason why the education plays a very important role, or we can say that government's efforts should be done in peaks. Okay, government efforts should be done in peaks such that there will be a specified background check for those who are under poverty, for those who do not even have a specified set of nourishment. ठीक है, मैं यूजुअली ये इस चीज का मैं यूजुअली क्यों बता रहा हूँ आपको, क्योंकि इट इज प्रायर इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेनेवर वी यूजुअली नोट एवरीथिंग, व्हेनेवर वी यूजुअली नोट द थिंग्स व्हिच आर इम्पोर्टेंट। ठीक है, तो चले जाते हैं एडिटल पेज में कौन कौन सा यूजुअली यूजुअली मैटर करता है, यूजुअली डिस्कशन का मैटर है। पहला यूजुअली क्या है, restrictions movement constraint of the socialization even during physical content have become the new normal. COVID-19 isolation and fatigue have led to generalized stress, adding to the immunity changes in the children. Okay, these changes coupled with an attack of diet diversity leading to imbalanced micronutrients and taking so एक यूजुअली क्या यूजुअली दर्शाता है, what it usually gives as an example. So coming to the summary of this line, or you can say that social factors, I can give an example that in the pandemic, or you can say that while going to the pandemic situation, what are the different food items which need to be supplied to the children such that their immunity boosting will be there, such that there should not be any kind of dismantle of their intaking of food and a specified amount of period and a specified amount of due duration of a weekly midday meal scheme. Okay, so what the government has been providing. Okay, these things usually matters when you usually discuss about the factors which usually affects the nourishment of different children's, or getting back to the environment where they have been living in the pandemic, before a pandemic, I can say that. So this is all about the tackling India's triple burden, we can say. So then after, need for balanced diet. So one thing we should have to keep in mind, the stage of body immunity response resilience, the presence of many micronutrients to combat hidden hunger, affordability, accessibility, diverse food sources must be made available across India. Micronutrition that are primarily available in fruits, vegetables, green huts, legumes. So whole things we should have to keep in mind. We cannot be providing a very good food. We can say that I can say the food which is more in costlier. We cannot be providing that. But the government should have to keep in mind that life is matter than money. Okay, money doesn't matter, life matters. If life is there, we can earn more than what we have expected. Okay, so these things usually matters. That's the reason why give a very specified food nutrition to those who are under poverty. Give a specified nutrition which usually gains the nutrients, or you can say gains immunity boosting in the children, whether it is in urban or in rural. Might be we not be having any facing problem in urban areas, but rural areas have this effect. Okay, noon meal scheme, or we can say the midday meal scheme. Over the pandemic, there is no such kind of scheme which has been provided, but a money facility has been provided in my area where I have staying, because some of the students who have been studying are from this background itself. Okay, who usually study in government school, they have been provided with rice, or we can say that unboiled rice, we can raw rice, and raw vegetables are being provided, raw eggs are being provided to children instead of cooked vegetable, or instead of cooked items. But the amount which has been given in the due course of time before a pandemic is not at all provided. Okay, so that thing usually matters, that thing usually gives a print that how we are been enacting, how we are been reacting to the different stimulus schemes which has been provided by the government. Okay, so I hope you have got an idea. If there is any doubt, just comment box में comment कर देना, ठीक है? तो फिर आशा करता हूँ कि आपको इजीली समझ आ गया होगा। धन्यवाद।